Next topic, entering text in the document. In PageMaker, the text of the document can be typed inside a text block. So you must use the text tool to create those text block. Before entering the text, you have to create the text block. How can we create the text block? Means we can using the T icon from the toolbox. Just click the T icon from the toolbox and drag to the PageMaker window. After you creating the text block, we can type the text directly. So we can type the text directly into the text block. Next one, as the character are typed in a flashing vertical bar called the insertion point, move to the right. Character single letter is called as a character. If you are typing the letters means the flashing vertical bar will appear. That bar name is the insertion point. It's also called as the cursor. When you are typing the letter means automatically the insertion point move to the right side. When the text being typed reaches the end of the text block, PageMaker will automatically wrap the text to the next line. For example, you consider this is the one of the text block. If you are entering the text means the text will reaches the end of the border of text block. The border it will be wrap the text to the next line. That means automatically come to the next line. So no need to use the enter key for each line. The enter key must not be pressed at the end of the each line in the text block. The enter key should be pressed only at the end of the paragraph or when a blank line is to be inserted. When we can using the enter key means if we want to create a one paragraph means we can using the enter key. Otherwise, if we want to leave a one blank line means we can using the enter key. Otherwise, no need to using the enter key. Next one, selecting text. We can select the text using two way. First one method is the mouse. Second one method is the keyboard. We can see one by one. First one, selecting text using mouse. First point, place the insertion point to the left of the first character to be selected. For example, you consider this is one of the paragraph. First one, you have to bring the insertion point for beginning. Insertion point means the cursor. How to bring the insertion point to beginning. Second point, press the left mouse button and drag the mouse to position where you want to stop selecting. So mouse button has three, left mouse button, right mouse button and scroll button. You have to click the left mouse button and drag across the text where you want to stop selecting till you can select it. Third point, release the mouse button. We have to release the left mouse button. If you release the left mouse button means automatically the selected text will be highlighted. Okay, that is the fourth point. Next one, if you want to select a particular word means we have to double click the mouse button on particular word. For example, insertion, that is the one word we have to select. So you have to double click the mouse button here means that will be selected. Okay, next one, if you want to select the particular paragraph means you have to triple click on the any one of the place of paragraph. That means it will be selected. Okay, next one method, selecting text using the keyboard. First point, place the insertion point to the left of the first character you wish to select. That means bring the insertion point to beginning of the text. For example, cursor is here means we have to bring the beginning position. Second one, the shift key is pressed down and the movement keys are used to highlight the record text. You have to press the shift key in your keyboard and select the movement keys. Movement keys means the left arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key or down arrow key. Any one of the key we can use with the shift key or use to highlight the required text. We can use that. And third one, when the shift key is released after selecting the text, we can release the shift key. The text will be selected. If we want to select a one character to the left means shift plus arrow key. For example, you have to select the letter D. Okay, we can using the key combination shift plus left arrow means the D will be selected. Okay, if we want to select the one character to the left means we can using the shift plus left arrow. For example, word D is the last letter. If you want to select the letter D means you have to using the key combination shift plus left arrow. Before that we have to bring the insertion points here, then select the shift plus left arrow, the D will be selected. If we want to select the one character to the right means, for example, cursor is here. Okay, if we want to select the one character to the right means the shift plus right arrow we can use, the W will be selected. If we want to select the one line up means we can use the key combination shift plus up arrow. For example, cursor is here, we have to select the particular line, so we can using the key combination shift plus up arrow. If we want to select the one line down means, for example, cursor is here, if we want to select this particular line means we can using the key combination shift plus down arrow. To end the current line means shift plus end. So for example, cursor is here, we have to select the till the letter is D. So what can we do means shift plus, if you press the shift plus end key combination means the entire line will be selected. To beginning of the current line means, for example, cursor is here, we want to select from here to there means we can use shift plus home key, the particular line will be selected. If we want to select the entire document means maybe one page or two page or three page, if you are pressing the key combination Ctrl plus A means the entire document will be selected.